Hey bead lovers, welcome back to my channel. Get ready to make this super cute daisy choker and bracelet set using simple seed beads. It's a lovely spring inspired design you can make in just a few steps. This fun, fast, and absolutely stunning piece of jewelry is lightweight and perfect for special occasions and everyday wear. For this, I will be using some 8 seed beads in off-white color, some yellow seed beads, 8, some teardrop crystals, these are 8 mm by 6 mm, some green seed beads, 11, and this is my handmade copper wire clasp. I have a tutorial for this on my channel. I will provide the link in the description box. And now let's jump right into the tutorial. I have taken these seed beads 9, 1 and 9. The one in the center is the 8. Go through all of these seed beads once again. And now I am going to tie a couple of knots. If your clasp is in two parts, you can take one part along with these seed beads. And now I'm going to go through all of these green seed beads and exit from the 8 that is in the center. Like this. Here are 5 off-white seed beads, 8 in size. Go around once again. This is very important. This will give a beautiful shape to the flower. Once you have gone through all of these, it's time to take one yellow seed bead. Place it in the center and go through the top seed bead. Go back through the yellow seed bead and back through the base seed bead. Our first flower is complete. Now go through the next 3 off-white 8s. And now I am going to trim off the starting tail. And now pick the seed beads as shown on the screen. And go through this seed bead once again. This forms a circle. Now go through the 3 green seed beads and exit from the 8. Now I will pick 5 seed beads and go through this same seed bead once again. Make 3 more flowers just like the first one. But while adding the yellow seed bead, stay on the front side. Otherwise, this yellow seed bead will go at the back side and it won't look good. So keep that in mind. Now I'll go through these seed beads once again. And now pick one yellow and go through the top seed bead. Go back through the yellow. And now through this base seed bead and through the green seed beads to the next off-white atoe. We have already made 2 flowers, make 2 more. Here I have completed 4 flowers. And now go through these seed beads in the circle. Now go around and then come to this atoe. This seed bead is equal to this seed bead and make this entire unit once again. Make the circle over here and make 3 more flowers. So we will have a total of 7 flowers. And go through this one seed bead and to complete this unit, go through this next seed bead also. And now pick 4 green seed bead, 1 teardrop and 1 green seed bead. 4, 1 and 1. Go back through the teardrop and 1 seed bead. And now I will pick 3 more green seed beads. And go through this atoe. Pull the thread and adjust the beadwork, and then through the next atoe. So this way we have completed one unit, 7 flowers and 1 teardrop. And now make your way through the beads and come to this atoe. From here we are going to start the next unit. This entire piece will be made from here. I have completed the next set and now I am going to add the teardrop part. Go through the next seed bead downwards, just like this. Make over here. So we have completed 2 units. This is one unit and this is the next unit. Continue like this seed bead, and go through all of these and come to this seed bead and start the next unit. I have made 5 units for a bracelet, and if you want to make a choker, you can add more units, make it longer. I'm going to complete it here by adding a clasp. Simply go through this 8-0 once again and go through this loop. Now your bracelet is ready. You can tie a couple of knots, secure the beadwork, go through some more beads before cutting the tail. Ta-da! The cutest spring-inspired bracelet is ready for you. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate this daisy beaded bracelet? Be honest, my dear friends. I'll be waiting for your comments. If this video has touched your heart, make sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss any of my beading videos. And please let me know in the comments which country you are watching from. I would love to know where all my video is reaching. Thank you for stopping by. Until next time, take care and bye bye.